Turn up, turn up, turn up.
Ooh, ah, we love our HBCU.
All right, welcome to Central State University. I'm glad to see all of you on this dull Saturday morning in Ohio, but it's going to be a bright future for those students who choose to go and enroll at Central State University.
Central State is a place that meets students where they are and helps to take students to where it is that they want to go. So if you don't meet our minimum GPA requirements, we're going to provide an opportunity known as summer developmental programming that will allow you the opportunity to thrive once you make the decision to come for the fall.